Waiting for the parts to come. The parts are coming. The drum support wheels are shot. Now to replace them. First I have to take off these 3 screws. After the screws are removed, you lift the top up and pull back. Now you have to take this bolt off in the back, come to the front here. Take this one off, which is part of where the control board support is. Then come to the front, take this one off. Come around to the front here. Take this one off. And make sure the dryer is unplugged. And this tab here, you have to pull this plug out. You have to push that tab down, and then the plug comes out. You can use your thumb. Push it down and then unplug this part that takes this front panel off. Now, as you can see right there, there's a tab right there. You have to push it toward the wall. That way. You have one on the other side too. When you release both of those, this comes off. This panel comes off. And then now you take this one off. And this one off, and this bracket for the control panel, the on-off buttons, so on and so forth, comes off. Next, this has to be removed. There's a screw down here, a screw down here. Here you want to remove this plug. Notice I marked it so I can't reverse it. I don't think it can go in the wrong way anyways. And there's another one here I have to loosen up. So I'm going to loosen this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then open inside here and take these 3 out. Now I have the door panel off. I had to take this wire out of a clip here. Take a screwdriver, open it up because it was in here. Then it plugs into here, so you have to release this because this whole piece has to come off. Now next you have to take this blower motor housing. Another one here. Now, as you can see here, this is 8 years of drying. So when you have this out, it's good to get this lower motor shroud cleaned out. Next, I take these 4 screws off, loosening these but not taking them out, both of these two. Here, gonna lift the drum out. I marked the front part. As you can see, I'm going to change these and put this, since I got in the kit a new one of these, and this one seems to be not running too fast, not running too good. For $20, I got the 4 wheels, idler pulley, clips, and a washer somewhere. I'll have to find it. Washer and a new belt. All for $20 on Amazon. Here I put a couple of drops of oil on the shaft, put the clip back on, and put a new idler pulley. Here I'm taking the inner wheel off. Wipe off the shaft. Put some 2 drops of oil, move it around on the shaft, put the clip in the back, here I'm putting the drum back in, and since it's a stacked dryer, stacked on top of the washer, I don't have to use the belt to support it while I'm putting it in. Now I put the belt back on the idler pulley and the motor, and what you want to do is you want to turn it to make sure that the groove side is down. Turn it, start from your marked front and turn it a full 360 degrees to check if the belt is over the drum. And what I did was to hook up the belt on the pulley and the motor, I took my right hand and stuck it in this way, lifted the pulley up, put the belt over the pulley around, and with my left hand I looped it around the motor shaft pulley, the motor shaft pulley. Here I'm removing the tri-ring. Next, I put this base on. Made sure that the wheels went into the drum on the bottom. See if it turns. Plug the plug in from the drying sensor. Next, I put on the blower motor cover. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the longer, these different colored screws here, 3 of them, are longer than all the other screws. So they go for the blower motor cover. Okay, I put the door back on. Put that screw. Another one there. 3 in here. One up here. Another one up here. Now I put the bottom on. Screw down there. Screw down there. Next I put the upper dryer bracket. I got a screw on top here. One here. One here. And one on top here. Pop this in. Pop this in and put in the control panel thing and plug the plug into your control panel, and then this slides in. Alright, the dryer's plugged back in. Got it set with a bunch of clothes in it. We're going to try it now. The sensing's working. To watch when you disconnect the door, sometimes the wires pop off.